Hello, my name is Nita Helmawati, a first semester student at Yogyakarta Amikom University.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nafa Hanif.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Syafa Adena.
Hello, my name is Indra Budi Setiawan.
Next year, share.
Hello, and my name is Yas.
This time we will bring a discussion, namely the new company, where this new companies has characteristic which will be explained direct by Mr. Hanif.
Uh, if we hear the word startup, the first thing in our mind about startup is Gojek, Bukalapak, Tokopedia, Traveloka, and so on. Yes, these names are among the startup players in Indonesia. Currently, for the digital community in Indonesia, the word startup is a business that has just been established and developed, supported by digital service, and still needs a lot of funding to operate with a minimalist work group. In Indonesia, many young entrepreneurs have sprung up to create startup business that have unlimited innovation and creativity.
For entrepreneurs, the word startup is something very familiar and has been around for a long time. However, there are still many who don't know the meaning of the word startup itself. Startup is a word that comes from English, namely startup, and refers to the meaning of all companies that have recently operated or startup companies.
Okay, I will add another discussion about this characteristic. The meaning of the word startup is something that refers to a company that has not been operating for a long time. These companies are mostly newly founded companies that are in the development and research phase of finding the right market.
Next, Mr. Hanif. Mr. Yasir.
So in brief, startup are news company that are being developed or have not been operating for a long time. A three-fourth startup are often referred to as startup companies.
Okay, next, which is about a brief history of startup in Indonesia. The term startup is something that is very synonymous and is often associated with new companies in the field of technology and information. This started when startup becomes popular internationally during the dot-com bubble. When the dot-com companies when founded simulated during that period because at that time there were in cassette startup to often personally website to start their business. Next, Mr. Yasir.
This incident has an impact with more and more people who recognize the internet as new field to start their business. And in which also in the time startup were born and developed so that the word startup internship in many becoming a business the is always synonymous with the digital world, information technology and application. Mana ada?
Basically, startup are not always synonymous with the digital world. As explained it at the outset, a startup is a new company that is being developed or has not been operating for a long time or is commonly referred to as a startup company. To make it easier for us to find the meaning of a startup and the characteristic of a company, it can be called a startup.
A startup company certainly has a personal website to carry out all its work, namely to offer and promote product for sale. The business they run includes online service that operate using applications that are always connected to the company website itself. The target of a startup is to get as many consumers as possible. Therefore, startup always present innovation to pamper every consumer they have.
And according to the definition above, startup have a disruptive nature, aka disrupt an existing industry. For example, in the world of transportation in Indonesia, before the presence of online transportation service today, one of the player in the transportation industry was conventional taxis.
Example of case study. If someone currently set up conventional taxi company, can it be called startup? The answer is no. If we interpret the current startup definition, why is included a startup? Because it does not apply technological innovation to run its core business. A case still in eco conventional way, although the conventional taxi company is under 5 years old.
Even though many online shops or online businesses use .com or website, that doesn't mean it can be called a startup. According to Forbes, the definition of the meaning of startup also contains solving problems that exist in society, such as online transportation, which is a solution in the community to order fast, safe, comfortable transportation.
Okay, that's all for today. Brief, healthy greetings to everyone. Thank you.